Welcome to Redline Review.
Top-selling compact SUV, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 may improve. Toyota may revamp the RAV4 to make it more modern, connected, and electric while retaining its durability and versatility. Key features and expectations. 1. Bold new exterior style change. Smooth body with sharper headlamps, larger grille, and bolder rear. Adventure. TRD off-road models have higher ground clearance, beefier bumpers, and all-terrain equipment. Standard LED lighting includes consecutive turn signals and animated signatures. 2. Interior tech. For better materials, sound insulation, and space, upgrade your cabin. 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment with Toyota's newest software and digital instrument cluster. Wi-Fi hotspot, charging pad, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Family-friendly backseat with extra legroom and comfort. 3. Electric motors standard hybrid. Toyota may provide hybrid power on all trims to boost fuel economy and cut pollutants. RAV4 Prime Plug-in Hybrid, 300 horsepower. The all-electric range may increase to 50 miles from approximately 42 miles. Fast charging for convenience. Toyota may electrify alternative platforms like the BZ series. 4. Driving Performance AWD. With torque vectoring and terrain control is likely standard in hybrid and prime vehicles. Sportier and off-road variants ride smoother due to suspension and handling improvements. RAV4 Prime tows 3,500 pounds, ideal for light trailers or adventure gear. 5. Driver assistance and safety. Sense 3.0 Plus, standard on all models, pre-collision system with pedestrian identification, lane tracing, road sign assist, and proactive driving help. Options include 360-degree video, blind spot monitor, rear cross-traffic braking, automated parking, and traffic congestion aid. LE, XLE, XSE, Sporty Hybrid Prime, Limited, Adventure, TRD Off-Road, RAV4 Prime, SC, XSC, high-performance plug-in hybrids. Summary: in 2026, the Toyota RAV4 will be more efficient, tech-forward, and polished. Its hybrid and plug-in choices, superior technology, and bold new appearance make it a top small SUV.